Tropical storms may form in the Caribbean next week, with one of them potentially impacting Jamaica.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
So viewers, I have been monitoring a pair of invests which may develop into tropical depressions or storms next week as the 2020 Atlantic hurricane season continues its record named storm pace. Now, as you can imagine, a lot of the details are impossible to know this early in the forecast because these systems have not even developed as yet. But here is what is known at this time for each system. There is currently a non-tropical low-pressure system located more than 500 miles east-southeast of Bermuda, but well north of the Leeward Islands, Puerto Rico, and the Virgin Islands. This may develop enough convection to become either a tropical or subtropical depression or storm by the middle of next week. However, the area of most concern for me is the Western Caribbean Sea, where a broad area of low pressure may develop early next week, east of Central America and south of Jamaica and the Cayman Islands. Now, while some of the subsurface ocean heat was churned up by Tropical Storm Gamma and Hurricane Delta recently, the Caribbean Sea is still warm enough to support tropical development. And interestingly, these two potential systems are both in areas that have seen development before this late in the hurricane season, from the Central Atlantic to the Caribbean Sea. Now, that said, assuming that wind shear remains low, a tropical depression or storm may form sometime next week in this area. Beyond that, the strength of the final tract of this potential system remains uncertain, and there is currently a 30% chance it may develop over the next 5 days, becoming possibly a major hurricane on its approach to or close to Jamaica. Now, the general expectation is that the system will be drawn north or northeast late next week. Hence, as I said before, interest in the Cayman Islands, Jamaica, Hispaniola, and Cuba should monitor the progress of this system. Also, if these invests develop to become tropical storms, they will be named Epsilon and Zeta respectively, as the journey into the Greek alphabet continues this hurricane season. Now, I will continue to keep a close eye on this one, and for some strange reason, I have a bad feeling about this one. Not to scare anyone, but I'll be keeping an eye on this system, and I will be providing updates periodically as we go throughout the weekend and early into next week as the system starts to take shape. Hopefully it does not. But let's see.
Teach them! Hey, yo, yellow! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Like the video before you go. Please subscribe if you haven't done so. And remember to share the video with your friends and family. And browse the channel for more quality content. Until next time, walk good, my friends.
Teach them!